Hey guys, John here. So my Tundra is back from the dealership. All the recalls have been completed. And also now the dealership is aware of all the issues that I'm having with my truck. So guys, starting out with all the recalls, my truck had no issues at all. The rear axle was good. One thing to note with the ECU portion of the recall, if your truck is flagged for the ECU reflash, your dealership needs to have a key provided by Toyota for that software for them to upload it to the truck. I dropped this truck off, I think on like a Thursday, and the dealership didn't even get the key until a Monday. Apparently mine was like one of the first ones to go in there for this, so I just dropped it off with them anyways because I have other vehicles here and press vehicles too, so that didn't bother me. But just if the Tundra is your only vehicle, make sure that the dealership has the proper software, has everything to unlock the software, so you're not left without your truck. So all the recalls so far on my 2022 Tundra have been taken care of. So now let's talk about some of the issues that I had with it. So even though I'm a Toyota fanboy, I'm very upfront and honest with you guys about everything, because if you're thinking about spending $58,000 on a new Tundra like mine, I want to tell you all the good and I want to tell you all the bad. So what's really bad is that every single issue that I had with this truck, the center console, rattling, the wind noise, the AC vent, all this stuff, unfortunately, Toyota was not able to do anything about it. So every single issue that I have with this truck, every single annoyance, they were not able to do anything about it. Now, unfortunately, the service record reads that this is a normal operation and no fix needed. Now, the caveat to that is what they told me is that there was another Tundra just like mine that came in there for their recalls and other complaints. Their center console was a piece of crap. Their truck had wind noise. Their truck's driver panel too had a rattling noise. So even though unfortunately me getting my truck back and they say that this is normal operation, they have documented, hey, both these trucks rattle, both these trucks have this noise. So essentially what Toyota is doing with these early production vehicles is collecting data. So hopefully they will have an actual fix for this center console or the door or the wind noise as well, months down the road. So all it is right now is documented, unfortunately, because those on the Facebook page that fixed this issue with their center console, they pretty much said that they got brand new ones. So guys, if your Tundra has those issues as well, just like mine does, and when you take it to your dealership, if they're not able to do anything, just make sure everything gets documented, because the more and more trucks that go into the dealerships and have these issues, that have the center console issue, have door issues, have all these wind noise things, like yes, these trucks are big bricks going through the air, but it is certain things that you know are not supposed to be there in a vehicle that are there, that we're just trying to get Toyota to fix over time with these brand new trucks. So that way 5-10 years from now down the road, when the next generation comes out, probably 10 years from now, this truck will go down as a very, very reliable truck. It's just the first year or two, this truck is going to go through some rough spots. So we will get it all fixed, all taken care of, especially before I trade this truck in. I really want to make sure that everything is taken care of properly. That way the next owner has no issues with this Tundra at all. If you're about to take your Tundra into the dealership, I wanted to let you know about that ECU thing. And also too, if you guys have issues with your Tundras, please let the dealerships know so all of our trucks can get fixed. Please let them know. All right guys, catch you in the next video.